If AI had a fairy godmother, it'd probably look like me. Let's turn those Raggedy prompts into royal content, shall we? If you've been getting weird, blurry, or underwhelming images from MidJourney, let me help you fix that fast. Here's how I use ChatGPT in MidJourney to create viral visuals in under 60 seconds. Step 1. Describe it, but don't be basic. Please don't just say black woman journaling. We need main character energy. Give me the hair, the outfit, the vibe, the background, the lighting. Think Pinterest board meets Pixar short film. So instead of woman journaling, try this. So, black woman in her 40s, sitting on a balcony at sunrise, pink satin robe, gold pen in hand, coffee mug nearby, Pixar-style 3D lighting. Step 2, clean it up. MidJourney can't read create this or showing that. It's not a to-do list, it's a vision board. Keep it visual, not verbal. No verbs, no actions, just describe what it looks like. Step 3, paste it into MidJourney. I use midjourney.com with the alpha web version, but you can also use Discord. Just type /imagine before your prompt if you're on Discord. Then hit enter and let the magic happen. Here's the part that makes it mine. I add Pixar 3D style, cinematic lighting, and my brand colors. Fuchsia, blush, and black. Now, it looks like me. If you want plug and play prompts like these, I made a free MidJourney prompt pack just for creatives and brand bosses. No fluff, just polished, on-brand visuals that work. And if you're still figuring out how to use AI in your business, grab my AI starter kit. It will give you 5 basic AI tools. And my MidJourney 10 prompt starter pack. Like, share, and follow me. I'm Stacy Marvelous with Creative Flair LLC and Flair Dynamiq. I drop AI tips weekly to help you turn creativity into income and workflows into wins. Grab both freebies. Link is in my bio. Go from I tried AI to I made that. Have a fantabulous day.